Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Farahanim. My metric number 267669. This is my partner. Today we will talk about awareness about product that we consume. We or you consume. Okay, why we choose this topic? Because nowadays many people so obsessed with the beauty and health without knowing what ingredient in the product that we use. Okay, especially for the girls who obsessed with the beauty and health, but sometimes men also obsessed with the beauty and health. Demand for more beautiful and elegant is growing in a favor of product that grow as the mushroom grow where it's rain. The dominance of the health and beauty product is increasing with the rise of the social media today, making it popular and widely publicized. The trade has raised concern, especially without the awareness of the society about the harm it can cause to our consumer. This is because those products that contain scheduled pesticides that can be harmful to the health. Many of the commercial and cosmetic products are commercialized based on herbs and traditional and adapted to the needs of today for the consumer. That's good, but while the effectiveness and safety of the product is far to be emphasized and their quality guaranteed. The marketing of such product also has a great strategy and even penetrates the exciting market. For your information, there are still many products that contains illegal substances that are scheduled poison that are not approved by the KKM. KKM means Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia, such as sildenafil, bleaching agents, hydroquinones and tritoniums, and body slimming agents such as ciptotrimins. Okay, those pain substances are still the choice of the health and beauty product manufacturers as their product. Those based on substance are still the choice of the health and beauty product manufacturer as they provide the desired drastic effect. That's why before we consume the product, we need to know the contents of the product and the advantage and disadvantage of the product before we use it. Okay, that's all for me. I will pass to my partner to explain more about this topic. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to madam. Thank you Farah for introducing me. So my name is Nurul Hani binti Joini. My metric number is 267817. As Farah mentioned before, today we are going to talk about the awareness of a product that we consume. So today I am going to talk about the effect and how are we going to know whether our product is good for us or not. I am going to tell you about the effect if you wrongly use a cosmetic, wrongly consume a vitamin, and wrongly consume slimming product. What happened to you? Nowadays, there are too many cosmetic product that we can get it easily from drugstores, from online, and so on. And the price is also affordable, but you need to know whether the product is good or not for you. Okay, the advantage of this product may make you getting flawless, getting beauty in the short term. I will talk about cosmetic. Before you use a cosmetic, you need to know the ingredients in the cosmetic, the chemical in the cosmetic. Sometimes if you buy online, we don't know where is the factory, how it produced, so we don't know the ingredients in the product. So if you wrongly take the product, it will harm you. For example, your face will getting worse. It happened to my friends who use a product, online product, and the effect is within 2 weeks. Her skin turns to flawless within 2 weeks. But when she stopped using the product, the face is breakout, and there's a lot of acne on her face. So we don't want that to be happen to you. So before you consume a product, you need to check the product in at npra.com. Make sure your product is safe to use before you use it. Next is vitamin. So before you consume a vitamin, you need to know whether the vitamin is good for you or not. Okay, how to make sure the vitamin is safe to eat? You need to refer to doctor, specialists, and pharmacies. Okay, sometimes we don't know the ingredients of the vitamin. If you wrongly consume a vitamin, it will make your kidney fail. When your kidney fail, it will affect your health. Okay, you need to go to dialysis and so on. You need to take medicine. So it is harm for you. If you really want to consume vitamin, you can eat fruits, you can eat vegetables. There are so too many vitamin in this food. Thirdly is slimming product. Okay, this is quite famous nowadays. There are too many people who wants to lose their weight in a short term. But do we know the ingredients of the slimming product? Before you consume a slimming product, you need to refer to doctors, specialists, and pharmacists, because sometimes the slimming product will harm you. Okay, if you continuously consume the product, it will affect your kidney. Okay, we don't know the ingredient in the product. Actually, the best thing is you need to know your food portion when you eat. Okay, and you need to exercise. That is the best thing. You have to know what is balanced diet. Okay, if you care about your food consume, if you love your body, then you exercise. Trust me, you will lose your weight. Okay, if you really want to lose your weight, you need to care about your food portion. You need to do some exercises. It is much better than you consume a slimming product. Okay, actually, 80% of our weight is based on our food taken, and 20% is exercises. If we really care about our food taken, we also can lose our weight. Okay, next is I am going to share about how to be more aware towards a product that we consume. Firstly is you need to make some research. Okay, there are too many platform you can easily search for it. For example, you can use Google and so on. Please make some research before you consume it, because sometimes the ingredient is not suitable for our body. Different people has a different um, antibody, different type of body, different types of blood. So if the product is not suitable for this certain blood, so you cannot consume it. So this is very important. If you want to consume a product, you really need to know what is the ingredient before you consume. Next is, if you had done your research, you need to refer to the doctors, pharmacists, and specialists, because they know the product better than you. So better you ask for their advice before you consume it. Before you consume a product, you need to know your blood first. your body type. Okay, if you are having this illness, you cannot consume zinc, for example, so you cannot easily consume a product that contains zinc. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, madam, for listening to our presentation. Have a nice day, madam. Assalamualaikum.